Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to set time limits on social apps with Opal. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you gotta do is simply go and download your Opal app. Once you open and download your Opal, all you gotta do is simply wait for it to get installed and get signed in into your account. So once you have logged in into your account, all you gotta do is simply to set the time limit, you need to go and tap open your time limit section. So once you're in your time limit section, all you can do now is simply choose the app you want to activate time limit for. Once you have chosen your app that you want a time limit for, then you can simply go and tap on set time limit. Once you have chosen it, you need to search for the tab item that you want to set time limit. Now I have chosen Instagram. I'm choosing it confirm, and now I am simply setting the time I'm going to allow it per day. Once you have done this, you can simply hit the save button, and this will now set the time limit on the particular social media app you have selected. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.